I can salty that chicken.
She's my favorite. I'll keep her.
Oh, you doing a video?
I got one for that.
One thing I don't like about it is every time you stop and start, it makes a new video. So if you're going to do editing,
Hi, Grandma.
if you stop and
yeah.
start 20 times in a 5-minute
Yeah,
period of time,
it's
you got 20 videos that you then have to put together.
Oh, I hate when it does that. Mine does it too. I think there's a setting though that might be able to stop that. I'm not sure. Maybe not on all of them.
Yeah, I don't know on that camera.
I'll wait till she's fussy again.
Because I know mine does that
She's in the
too.
mirror right now.
And I haven't figured out how to change it.
She's happy.
Okay, she's with mom.
The thing that I like though is you just push the button on the side there, the USB thing pops
Happy
up.
when I'm with Mommy
Just get right
too.
into your computer.
What?
So I'm happy when I'm with Mommy too.
Put it back right on the screen.
Okay.
How'd you
Oh,
knock her out?
I forgot that she's videoing that.
How'd you knock her out?
Sorry.
Simple. I just have the. I
Mashed
don't know. I
toast.
think it's just the way I hold her. Like support every little part of her body that's possible.
No, you
She's-
should.
I'm not.
Because if you don't,
Mm-hmm.
I keep feeling like I'm holding the baby and I'm not holding the baby.
She has a cutie, that's what it sounds.
your mom, your dad.
I like it.
Good.
Really
She's good. She can cry if she wakes up.
Whale eggs should be able to feed 5 people. No, 6 people. They do food. 6 people.
Let's get this stuff figured out.
I can't figure out what this one thing is, but I will figure it out.
We're gonna feed you, okay?
Oh, those are apples. Kudos. Oh man. You guys always bring the good stuff.
Did you give me some of your natural dog?
Hope you like it.
Oh my apples.
I've been doing for my best.
Ronnie, can you see if there's some kind of bowl we can put these into to serve them?
No.
Find any way around this kitchen a lot better.
Still okay to her somehow.
Just say a blessing over her. And from Deuteronomy, chapter 30, verse 19. I've set before you life and death, blessings and curses. Choose life so that you and your children may live, and that you may love the Lord your God. Listen to his voice and hold fast to him. For the Lord is your life. He will give you many years in the land he swore to your fathers, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. So bless you as a family. Bless you to be strong and courageous. Listen to the voice of the Lord. and prosper. And from Arabella, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face to shine upon you, be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face to you and give you peace. And this is a blessing that Moses told Aaron to give to all the children of Israel. Someone thought it's good enough for all children of Israel. It's got to be good enough for everyone else.
That's right.